Hey, hey. Hey, Coco Type. It sounds like Mass Effect music. That's cool. This is Overwatch 2. That reminds me, I definitely need to play through the Mass Effect series. It's been on my list of things to do for quite some time. Just haven't gotten around to it. How you doing tonight? So today's a hybrid stream. Gonna be doing some Overwatch 2 inspired SwiftUI stuff, and then we'll play some games. Here's what we had last time. This was the loading screen for finding a game screen, which we spent a little bit of time with on day one. That was that was some difficult times. Yes, indeed. Let's bring the music down just a tad. There we go. Today I want to take a look at a couple of the UI components in the game and see what we can do with them. While none of them are my favorite game ever, the series as a whole is definitely my favorite series ever. Well, the primary trilogy. We don't talk about Andromeda. Yeah, nobody talks about Andromeda, right? That's the first rule of Mass Effect. I suppose. Let's take a gander real quick at what we want to focus on today. There's a couple things I want to try. One is the new Ultimate.
I've got you in my sights. I love the smell of charcoal in the morning.
So if we're looking at the below screen right now, and I'm seeing... Oh, this is very interesting. Can we get a zoom on this? Let me see if I can get a zoom on this. How do we do this? Don't fail me now, OBS. Transform. I need a crop filter. Width 200, height 200. Enter? That did nothing. Oh. That's why. Hold on. Okay. All right, cool. Let's just see what's happening. Oh no. I should have done this before. Wait, let me look at the game. 2, 1. Is it the relative one? Yeah, it's not working. I'll just keep looking at it. Okay, so what we have here is, this is definitely zoomed. So you've got your meter that's just kind of showing up. It's a lot simpler than the first one was. Yeah. If we go top again. Oh, that's what I should be doing. Let's crop it from the top by 1,000 and see what that looks like. Oh shoot, that did nothing. Well, maybe not 1,000. Let's go 500. Yeah, that's better. What was that plus though? Where's that plus looking at? Hmm. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. 500. 800. Okay, 800. Yeah, we're getting a little bit better. Let's go 100. No, that's let's go 50. Okay. Let's go. The plus is your crosshair. It could be. It could be. We're cropping 500, 700. Yeah, getting better. Getting better. Okay, you guys ready for this? Whoops. 300. Let's go 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh shoot, that doesn't look do I I don't stretch the screen, I just center the screen. Oh no. Why is this not working? Center, oh, fit to screen. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay. This is the ultimate meter. There is, look at, ooh, there's some fun stuff in here though. Okay, so we've got our progress bar, which is most obvious what we're going to do here. We're going to do a stroke styled path here. We have a rotating inner circle with some dots. We've got a number that's slowly climbing, and we have very faint some gray circles, but also like this widening effect on the left and right side. They look kind of like headphones on the inner circle there, the inner gray circle, and then we've got this outer dotted line as well. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna throw you over here. And this is what we're gonna do today. You also have a large queue. I do have a large queue. What are we gonna do about that? Okay. Let's get going. Let's do this. So today is gonna be some SwiftUI, and then we're gonna go into some playing. What we normally like to do around here, a little bit of both. Oh yeah, we're a variety stream. Yes, indeed. I'm going to, let's see, we've got the Overwatch 2, so we're going to let's take a look at what the first one was. This is the first one. This is the first meter, and we could probably utilize some of this structure to get what we want. Yeah, but we're missing the music though. That's kind of a bummer. Where's the music? Let's get some music. Let's get some Overwatch music on the overlay here. Hold on a second. Overwatch 2 OST. Great. There we go. Play all. There it is. The intro. This let's get the sound effects a little bit down. Okay. There we go.
Not good enough. I've got you in my sights.
Okay, let's just...
Good effect on hostiles.
Okay. Back to where we were. Back to where we were. All right. Oh, I need it to be like in a... There we go. I tried getting the GoldenEye watch running on WatchOS over the weekend, but my SwiftUI drawing skills aren't up to snuff. Oh shoot, Cocotype. Is the did you use the template that I posted up in the repo? So I found a couple of bugs. I was messing with it. The first bug is that if you mess with the sliders, it actually like delays the drawing of the watch. Of the second hands and all that. So I got to figure out what's going on. I think the main issue that I have is that I've set a private timer property on that watch, which I probably should turn it into like a state variable or a state object variable. So I think that's one of the issues. I did see some problems there. I think if we can get that going, and then I think there's another thing that we could do for publishing, which was I think there's a date formatter, or like there's another view that I was reading about that can actually refresh time, like date related items. So I should do that. I should probably make some fixes there. I couldn't figure out how to get the text to fit inside the green HUD area. Oh yes. Yeah, that's a little wonky too, isn't it? You're right. I should fix that. The slider thing is just setting the right modes for the timer. Yeah, that's true. I actually did change it from updating once a second to once every 10th of a second. It still didn't solve the slowness issue, but I'm glad that you were able to play with it a little bit. That's fun. Hopefully I can, the next thing that I want to do with it is actually turn it into a widget. I think that would be like a future project on stream would be to make a widget that we could throw up on the on like a user's home screen. I think that'd be really cool. And then like if it was like interactive, like I would convert those sliders to swipe gestures so that you could swipe up and down on the health and the shield. I think that'd be kind of cool. But anyway, very exciting stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and duplicate Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter, and we're gonna throw it into here. Oh, just kidding. It decided not to go where I told it to go. So I'm gonna throw that into here and Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter. Let's change the created date because 10. What's the date? The 11th. So this is what we've based our so what we're basing stuff on, and so we can just get really we can see what we can get rid of. First of all, we need to count how many segments there actually are in this new stuff. There are a lot, and oh man, I gotta zoom in again. Okay, let me go back to let me go back here. How many is that? That's, am I gonna count them? I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 33. The 34th one is dead center. Yeah. So if it's 33 and then another 33, so that's 66, I think. I think that's 66. You can also see that like it's like a portion of each segment is getting drawn, which our code can handle that too. So I'm going to go ahead and estimate 66 on this guy. 66%. So let's go ahead and let's see. Which one is this? I'm going to, okay, there's two of them. I'm getting rid of one of them though. Let's go 66. Ah, that's this guy. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this one. We're going to get rid of this inner circle. Wait a second. Yeah. No, this is okay. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this inner guy. Getting rid of the percent. Because it doesn't have a percentage anymore, does it? Get rid of percent. We still have Q, but it's no longer tied to that circle, is it? It's more like it's almost like it's below. Wait, is it attached somewhat? I think it might be attached a little bit. Let's blow this up again. Yeah, it's in there. It's tied to the dot circle around it. Yeah, you're right. You are right. And who knows how many dots are there? Gosh, do I even want to count? I don't know if I want to count. It is tied to it. So here's what we should do. We're going to... So the Overwatch Ultimate Meter border is its own thing. Also, I gotta make you bigger. Size, dimension over 3. Oh, okay, that's a good. Oh, but then I got you in my sights. I gotta take care of the ult here. Hold on a second.
I've got you in my sights.
Yes, thank you, Soldier 76. That ult UI is probably really simple to do too, huh? Avenir next condensed medium italic. I guess we can just keep that. It looks like it's about the same still. Yeah? Looks like it's about the same. Okay, so what I need is well, I'm doing a line width ratio on this. I'm doing a dash pattern, number of segments. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Wait, I want to go back here and see where it was. Oh, it's the trim. I forgot the trim. This is what I meant to add. There we go. There we go. So there's the 25%. We needed this to be a different color though. Yeah, this needs to be let's get the color. That's an ugly filtered zoom, but like that's okay. We can deal with that. Digital color meter, where you at? Why can't I see you? There you go. Ugh, I feel like it needs to be even bigger. My girl, skin is hanging off your bones. Let's actually crop this a little bit more, huh? Properties, wait. Filters, yeah, we're gonna crop it even more. 750, 800, 850, and then the right, we're also gonna do 850. I just need better resolution. Oh, a little too much. 875. Same on this side.
Quit screwing around and get on the point.
Okay, here we go. Perfect. Okay, that should give us the color that we need. I'm just gonna throw it right in here and do a cool thing that CocoType taught me. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's bring this back. Okay, let's have it peeking over there. Bum 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 bum. Whoop. Oh, what were we gonna do? We were gonna do something with the colors. Yeah. Let's make another group. New folder. I'm gonna call this Overwatch. Let's make a new color. Yeah. We were gonna do the color literals. New color set. This is called Overwatch 2 Orange. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, I always do that. You guys ever accidentally like create a new window? Never. Just me. Where'd you go, digital? Can't I have you like always bring all to the front? Why can't digital color meter always be on top? I literally never make any mistakes using Xcode. Amazing. So maybe we can just oh, then you guys can't see it. I'll just do this. There we go. R. Not hex. There we go. Hey, that's looking pretty good. Can I just copy and paste it over to here? Yes, I can. Ooh, would you look at that? Okay, folks, we're making a color literal here. And what was it that you liked to do, CocoType? You just take the literal and put that in the extension. Like so. Where's our color extension? Here we go. So, static var Overwatch to orange. Color. Like that, yeah? And then do we have to like do an exclamation mark? I think that's how it goes, yeah? I think that's right. I think this is right. Let's try building. Ah, you can't force unwrap. Oh, it just throws an exception at runtime if it can't find it. Oh, that's cool. Invalid redeclaration of Overwatch 2 Orange. What? Oh, shoot. Do I already have it? I've already got it. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay. Wow. I thought that was wow. Okay. I'm just gonna comment you out for just a second. Let's just make sure that this I wonder if I need the older one instead. This was back in static let Overwatch 2 orange equals color Overwatch 2 orange. Oh, I see. So instead of doing a static var, what's the benefit of doing this versus the other one? Fewer lines? That sounds good to me. All right. Okay. All right. Well, let's see if that actually. You gonna? Eh? What happened? Oh, entering game. Yeah, I mean it looks about the same. Foreground color. Dot. Overwatch 2 orange. Hey, there it is. There it is. Oh, I got you in my sights.
I've got you in my sights.
Thank you. So, one other thing about this is this stroke styled circle, it does border color dot Overwatch 2 orange. Okay, cool. So it's actually in frame, which is great. That's good. Let's this is looking good so far. Now the ultimate meter border is going to need some work, I think. But so before we work on that, let's do the inner stuff. The other thing that we should notice is that there's actually some yeah, there's a clear ring around the circle that has some opacity to it. So if we just gonna throw this over here for just a second again. And I'm just gonna play around in here, and you can see that like it will take on the background color just a little bit. That opacity is so it's black with like opacity of something.
Get out of my face.
Double kill.
That's right. Okay. That's kind of cool. So let's play with that a bit. So this is going to this is what this is going to be. It's going to we're going to essentially we could even do this cuz like the frame the number of segments line with ratio, I think the line with ratio is part of it. So like I could say circle stroke bordered with a line width of dimension times 0.1. Foreground color black, opacity let's just pick an opacity for now. Or maybe red so I can see it. Ah, there it is. Oh shoot. It ended up over there. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, no worries. We'll figure it out. It's all good. How about we inset? Is that the way to do it? I'm always wishy-washy about this. Like, do you inset, then stroke border, and or use a frame modifier? I don't know. Part of me doesn't want to deal with a frame. Part of me just wants to do inset by dimension times 0.2 and then stroke border it like that. And then see, you don't even have to have this you know, you don't even have to have this frame modifier here. You inset it, you stroke border it. So let's try 15. No. Inset by 2, stroke border 0.1. The stroke styled circle. Okay, the reason why that this isn't working is because the stroke styled circle needs to be, if it's stroke bordered at 0.1, and this guy is also line width ratio 0.1. Ah, but he has a frame. He's got a frame. See, he's having a hard time here. That's the issue. Is the stroke styled circle inset? I think it is inset. Yeah. I think this is why I wanted to do this stroke. I wanted to do stroke bordered shape. Why don't you want to? Are you still not working with the initializer? Oh, yes. That's right. We forgot to make an initializer, didn't we? If I do shape circle, it gets mad at me, doesn't it? Knew this would be the issue. It's due to internal protection level. I got to fix that. We still haven't fixed that. Okay, back to our stroke bordered shape. So this doesn't work. Hey, Rapid Striker, what's up? What are you doing with Overwatch? I'm making some. I'm remaking some of the UI in SwiftUI today, and then we're gonna play some Overwatch too. How you doing today?
I've got you in my sights.
Oh yeah, I just realized that this is covering up a big part of the IDE here. We're taking the ultimate meter from the second game, and we're remaking it. Welcome to the stream. And I just realized that one of the fun shapes that I had put together actually, for some reason, doesn't want to play nice. I don't know why. Like, this works. Like, the modifier works. Maybe I just need to do that for now. Let's just try that. Let's go circle. Again, inset by dimension times 0.2. You know, the funny thing about this is that it's exactly what I did here. And I just realized that I used my modifier here unwittingly. That's hilarious. All I needed to do was this twice. That's funny. So the foreground color is going to be Overwatch 2 orange. So as this guy, I may need a rotation effect though. I just realized that. Yeah, I think I might actually need a rotation effect. In which case, this would be the way to do it. But I could do that here too. Yeah, that's not an issue. But I need to create a stroke style first. The thing with that is it easier to write it in line, or is it easier to just do the initializer like this? I like ultimately want fewer lines of code, yeah? Like CocoaType said. So maybe I just keep this and just deal with it. The 4:1 dash pattern seems fine for now. So like if I go back to 2, let's see if that makes it better. It probably is going to overshoot it just a bit. Yeah, it is going to overshoot it. So if I do 1.5, yeah. is because of this frame modifier. That's the main reason why it's not working. Let's move our dimension to over 4. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And this guy's actually a little smaller, isn't it? Like I'm thinking that like maybe I don't want it stroke border by 10%. It all depends on this whole thing though. If I do let's do border just so I know where I'm at. Color dot Overwatch 2 orange. Okay. So clearly there's a lot more padding than is necessary. Wouldn't you say? What exactly would you say you do here? Yeah, like I feel like I need like give me like a solid background. Okay, here it is. No, I need a contrast. Let's go green. It's hard to see. It needs to be a dark color, doesn't it? It needs to be a dark background. Okay, there. That's a little bit better. You guys are still only seeing like a small version of it. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna throw it back right here. Okay. So clearly I almost kind of want to treat that queue like a separate view. You know what I'm saying? Like it seems like it kind of messes up the framing a little bit. Like I could throw this whole thing inside I could throw this whole thing inside and the frame would be cutting off the queue and then I could just overlay the queue later. But that's not how I did the first one. The only reason why I'm saying that is because like I feel like I'm wasting a lot of space in here. Where like the inset could be like, you know what I mean? Like if I were to get rid of this where's my queue? Where's my queue? Oh, it's in the ultimate meter border. Yeah. What is this music? This is the Egg House in New Queen Street. Never heard this music. All right. Okay. So now that I understand, okay, so it's not going to be color.red. It's going to be color.black. And what I need to have is I need my background to like be not that. So let's say red. No, let's do some sort of a gray. Let's do Overwatch icon dark gray. Ooh, hey now. Even better. Okay. In fact, what we could even do is like just have like a pretend overlay of like some game background so that we could see the opacity showing up. I still feel like this is a little too thick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let's do an outer one first and we're going to go in from there. Sound good? Yes, indeed. No inset. Stroke border, dimension times. That's not going to do it for me either. You know why? We've got the thickness on the left and right. We've got the little We got the little headphone effect on the left and right that we got to deal with. So we have to do some sort of an inset. And maybe I have to do this. Maybe I have to do like a trim of 0 to like 0.1. And does that work? Oh, whoops. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do a little bit of thickness here. Let's go 0.05. Oh, that's too thick. Let's go 0.03. It's also like it's not completely cut, is it? Let's go. This music is going crazy. Rotation, we're gonna go to degrees minus what, 30? Oh gosh. It needs to be it needs to essentially be the same amount as whatever this trim would be, which is 0.05 times 2 pi. Point 0.05 times 2 times pi. I wanted you negative. There. I know it's too far away. I'm just getting things started. It's okay. No worries. We got this. So now I do this. Now you're stroke bordered where you're in by, well, we have to be inset first. Inset by dimension times 0.03. Oh wow, it's taken a long time to render there. Okay, there we go. And now you don't have to have a trim. Yeah, you're all the way around. You're all right around, friend. Ooh, look at that. That's something. Booyah. Let's do the same thing with, oh, do you know what we could do? We could just do this twice. What I mean is rather than having like 2 of these and then just me going through the painstaking process of like doing .pi plus. So you've got 2 there now. Rather than doing that, I should just do a stroke style or a stroke bordered circle that has that repeating pattern. So you only have to draw it once. How you gonna do the lightning? Oh, no. Man, we need a whole section on lightning effects, don't we? There's a lot of stuff going on here with when the ultimate's ready. All right, soldier.
I've got you in my sights.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a good question, Coco Type. I have no clue how I'm gonna deal with that. That's gonna be something else, isn't it? These lines also aren't as thick, are they? Well, I mean, I guess here, let me do a side by side. Maybe this will be helpful. Can I get a nice overlay on here? It's a little hard to do side by side, isn't it? Because what we want is, oh, and see, we're not even doing it correctly. I'm missing like the inner circle. So let's go 13, 13, 13. Inset by 13. What the freak? What just happened? Oh no. Abort! Abort! Oh no, I blew it up! I need to inset it first. Inset by. Inset by. There we go. And now, yeah, you're only 0.03. Yeah, you're only 0.03. You're not point. Yeah. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. That's better. This is okay. So I got to keep track of what's happening here. These top two are. These are the headphones. I don't know what else to call them. They're two circles drawn with the trims left and right. I can combine them into one, but we're gonna optimize later. I just need to get the actual shape first. So this is inset by 13 by 13. This is inset by, it should be inset by 10. No, I've got it the other way around. Dagnabbit. Inset by 13. Inset by 10. There we go. Better. The bold is a little too short, isn't it? It's a little too squatty. A little too squatty. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that. What else can I do? Can I do thick? There needs to be a thick view modifier for text. we need to make thick. Cook type. How do we get on that? Does kerning, I don't know if is the kerning still an issue? Kerning doesn't seem to be an issue. Oh, just making a text modifier is all. Okay. So one more outer. I guess it'll be this guy. We'll just do this. Circle, which is not inset. Stroke bordered. We'll say by 0.01. There is no rotation. This needs to have a dash pattern though. So I almost feel like probably should just be this. Not a circle. We'll get that figured out eventually. Number of segments. I don't know. What do you guys think? 100? And I almost feel like it should just be like a line width of like maybe this needs to be a constant. This is where I get into issues where like if you want something reusable, you don't want something so small that like if the line width ratio makes the line width like anything less than 1. Oh, you were yelling at your work code? Is your work code misbehaving? Okay, I'm gonna do this again. Because it feels like we got something going on here. It's pretty much a dark gray, but I'm doing black opacity 0.2. Why not just make that a regular circle with a dash pattern? That's a good question. It's almost the same number of lines. Sorry, it's the same number of lines of code where I would just basically say let stroke style equals line width 1. Oh, I know why. Because then you get your discontinuity. It doesn't look so good at the 0 line. I think we've jumped out of the Overwatch music category, haven't we? Yeah, we are back into a retro wave mix. It's all good. But we could. This, I mean, it's probably not too critical, but we could. Someone built a collection view cells out of approximately 10 nested UI stack views and then set it to a fixed height. Now I need a label to be more than one line and everything is exploding. Oh no. Kokotat, that sounds terrible. I'm so sorry. Another reason why I would want to use a stroke styled circle is because then I could do a dash pattern that looks like well, I could make it like this instead of the default. You can't see it anymore. Hey, when this is full,
I've got you in my sights.
Oh, do you see that? Do you see how that changed? Okay, we got to go back and figure this out. Okay, look at so the dotted line, the dotted line is there.
That one's confirmed.
Okay, so let's just pay attention to where that goes. Once you get once we get to 100%, what happens to that line? And again, the background color I think just needs to be, yeah, you need to be, shoot. It needs to be a stark contrast. Let's go blue, opacity of 0.2. No. Gosh dang it. Why can't I ever decide on a decent color scheme? Brown. At least I can see what I'm working with. Okay, I'm killing some more training bots, and I'm trying to get to 100% so I can see what happens. Thank you, Soldier 76. Okay, you guys ready for this? Watch. Here's what happens at 100%. See where what happens to the dotted line. It turns into it's like those headphones like replace the dotted line. Do you see that? The headphone the headphone view went. Did you see that? I need to take a screenshot of this. I think that's what was tripping me up. It was like I was on the queue, and then as soon as okay, print screen. And then as soon as I press Q,
I've got you in my sights.
Now it goes all the way inside. So that's what was throwing me off. The headphones rotate. I didn't even see the headphones rotating. Oh man. There's so much cool stuff that we can put with this. So, and here's another thing what I'm thinking about, you guys. I feel like this animation state, like, I mean, we could have two modes, like ulting and gaining ult meter. Okay, so this is something that, okay, we're gonna need a couple of properties. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have a state var private var ultimate ready equals false. And then so the progress comes in. It's a binding, right? It's a binding. Oh, also we've got some weird. I just realized this. We have some weird indentation issues going on. Okay. Here's the thing. If the progress is 100%, then ultimate ready would be true. So it's almost as if like I just need to check for progress being 100. Once progress hits 100, then we could trigger an animation. Well, yeah, we could trigger an animation, but then like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not enough to have a progress. It needs to be like ultimate status. I feel like that needs to be a separate property. So maybe that's also a binding. Maybe that's also a binding. I'm not sure yet. Let's just do this. Bool. Because if ultimate ready is determined from outside, as it should be, right? Like the view shouldn't really know anything about state. It should just deal with values as they're passed in. So then what I could do is I could put ultimate ready could be dot. Whoops. Don't you love that about Xcode's autocomplete feature? You feel like you're about to do something here, and okay, there. Let's do that. Okay. So what's going to happen is, and we could even animate this because that would be cool. Well, first of all, we do have to have some animation because you guys can you can see the spiraling inner KIA. Okay. It seems like, okay, this training box.
Tactical termination.
Let's do this again. Let me just see. Let me take a gander. What happens here? Okay, so as soon as I'm not gonna even touch it. I'm just gonna wait for it to happen. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna watch the headphones and see where they go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, ooh, okay. It did something. It had this transitory period before it like ended like outside. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to take a quick time of that and just like play it frame by frame. But essentially, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say the headphones. It has to be so. If the ultimate is ready, then the inset has to be 0. So ultimate ready, question mark, 0, else that. Same thing here. So boom, boom. So yeah, so they show up there as they should. Same thing with this guy, and he's 0.13. So we're gonna do this. Inset by 0.13 if ultimate is ready. 0.13. Oh, shoot. No, he has to be 0.3. He has to be 0.03. The headphones on the outside are new. They're new headphones? They are new headphones. You're right. They rotate. Oh, no. You're right. You're right. Oh, blast it. Okay. So none of these guys change. They just rotate. Okay. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. Yep. My mistake. Rotation needs to be, okay, yeah. So the headphones are here and here, and then here, not here so much. Dang it, I should put these into the sub views because I'm losing track. Okay. Rotation is going to be this plus, wait, can we do this? Can we do a ternary inside an expression? It seems like it's going to be not good. Plus ultimate ready question mark 0. Pi over 4, otherwise 0. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm so sorry you had to see that. Oh yeah, I don't even think it's gonna work. Cannot convert value of type bool to expected argument type double. Times pi plus, oh, if I put parentheses around it, oh that's ugly. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you had to see this. Let's just, yeah, okay, so it did that. But why did I say pi? I did pi over 4. It should be pi over 2. Yeah. Yep, exactly. Pi plus this. Yes. Dot pi plus this plus ultimate ready. Oh, I had an extra one there. Come on. Bum, bum, ba-da, ba-bum, bum. Bum, ba-da, ba-bum. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get you in my sights again and just see where it goes.
I've got you in my sights.
Oh, that outer circle does a little bit of does a little bit of something. Why is this having a hard time? It's probably upset at me. The compiler is unable to type check this expression in reasonable time. Yeah, we are kind of we are being kind of weird with this. It doesn't help that I'm gonna move this over here, bring it over here. Okay. This was fine. Why are you having a hard time? I'll just say let rotation. I'm gonna call it headphone. Let headphone rotation equals ultimate ready question mark dot pi over 2, otherwise 0. That way, oh, and, is this a float dot pi? There we go. Then we'll just do this. There. What now? Now that should make him happy. Whoopsie daisy! I forgot to define it all the way up here. Let headphone rotation equals this. Then the left can and the right can, and then this guy, it doesn't matter where he's at. I don't think there's a reason to have a rotation here. Oh, it's still having a hard time, I guess. That's too bad. Why is that? Still this? I don't see what the issue is, Xcode. We trying to pull Xcode, huh? What, do I throw you outside? Okay. Let's clean the build. You're still unable to type check this. I don't know. I don't believe you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's not much here. I don't understand why it's having a difficult time. Can you guys see anything that I'm missing? Every view modifier is another thing it has to type check. That's fair. Maybe if I threw these all in a group and then threw the foreground color modifier. Let's try that. I bet you if I converted these two to a single one, then it would have less of an issue. I just want to delete this line. Do I have to really double click on you? And then this guy. Remember your result builder training. This is basically just a big array. That's a good point. That's a good point. Remember your training. Dang, it's still having a hard time. I wonder if it's an issue with my custom types. It got mad at me when I tried to do these rotations, right? Oh yeah, I'm treating warnings as errors. Okay, so it got very upset at our rotation modifier. Who'd have thought? I gotta head out temporarily. Hey, no worries, no worries. I expect lightning when I get back. Oh man, that's a tall order. That's a tall order, Cocotype. But hey, thanks for chilling for a while, man. Appreciate you. Okay, this will build now finally, but we won't get our sweet headphone rotation. We're gonna have to figure out another way to do that. Okay, so here we are. And they're basically just being drawn right on top of each other. I kind of feel the need to throw this inside a single stroke styled circle so I can get rid of two shapes and turn it into one. So let's do that. The only issue with that, of course, is I have to make it a frame. I'm gonna have to put a frame modifier thing on there. Yeah. No, I can do it this way. I can do it this way. I'm gonna say, let stroke style. No. I have to make it a frame. I don't want to do that, but I feel like I'm gonna have to just to make this a single shape. Cause yeah, it's getting upset with me. Stroke styled circle. Gosh dang it! I thought we'd be okay with this. We're gonna say number of segments 2. Line width is going to be the dash pattern is going to be, what was it? It was going to be 0.1 radians. 0.1 radians and then 0.9. So it's gonna have to say 1.9. Yeah. That's half of what I want. So 1090, or 10% versus 90%, or 2.8. Come on, man. There we go. Okay, now we've got a single shape with a dash pattern. So now we don't really have all those multiple views. Hey, Ploppy, what's up? How you doing? I'll leave the stream on for the cast to bump your new viewing numbers. Thank you so much. Oh, I just realized I'm totally hiding like our actual implementation. I'm showing you the actual games. Okay, I didn't mean to get you excited. This is what we have. This is what we have so far. Ah, that's too funny. Oh well. Yeah, this is what we're working with today. Yeah, I don't have this ultimate. I don't have that done yet. That's gonna take some time. It still looks good. Thank you, Poppy. How you doing today? We're just trying to figure out. There's some subtle animations in this thing. It's a little more complex than I originally thought it would be. So that's why it's taking me a little bit of time. So this, I don't need to do this. I do need to do a little bit of rotation. And I can throw that in here now. Once I do this. And let's take out these guys. The compiler was yelling at me because he's like, "You're giving me so much to do." And I'm like, I know, but you're supposed to be like the great and powerful wizard of Swift UI. And it clearly is struggling with all the view modifiers. Bought a big whiteboard for my room. Excellent. Absolute game changer. So happy to hear that. That's awesome. Good for you. Can I convert value type float to expected argument type double? Oh, really? Was that the issue this whole time? Was that this should have been a double? Silly me. You have got to be kidding me. Really? Okay. Wait, so rotation takes in a double? Oh, maybe the angle term takes in a double. Gosh dang it. It does. This whole time I was trying to throw a float inside here. Oh, I feel sheepish. Okay, so lesson learned, folks. If you're going to use an angle, you want your you want your values to be doubles. Got it. Got it. Ah, that's funny. That's too funny. Okay. So here's what we got. So we have our stroke styled circle. It is a shape. It is a shape, so we could inset it. So we don't actually necessarily need a frame. So that's kind of cool. So I can just do this. No, I can't. Why can't I do that? Why can't I inset? Stroke styled circle is an N5 shape. Do I need to apply? Oh, there we go. Yeah, no, it works. Why does it keep on trolling me? What is this? What is this madness? I think the compiler is just being a jerk. Compiler's like, no, I don't want to do what you tell me. I won't do what you tell me. Okay, let's get rid of these guys. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Perfect. Now I only got 2 shapes instead of 3 for our headphone group. All of them throw the foreground color down. There we go. Hey, that was difficult. Jeez. If my ultimate, let's say the ultimate is not ready yet, so that means it should show up on the sides, like a good pair of headphones should. Yeah, there we go. I feel like the opacity of this right here needs to be higher. Let's give it a 0.6 opacity. Unexpected error. Like I don't understand this. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's much more believable. And you know what we could even do to like just kind of play with this a little bit is give us maybe we don't even do an opacity. Let's just go to opacity of 1. Yeah. So I like having different colors in the background because you can see like what it looks like. So yeah, this will always be there, and I will always be there, old friend. You know, this doesn't look like it should have opacity, folks. Oh, I'm lying. No, it does need a little bit. Not much, though.
Not bad.
I don't think it needs opacity. In which case, I feel like this needs to be like a color all its own. So what kind of stuff have you been putting on the whiteboard yet, Ploppy? I kind of feel like this needs to be not... Let's do Overwatch icon dark light gray. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's do dark gray. Yeah, let's do that. That's what we're gonna do. No more of this. No more of this opacity too. No. No siree, Bob. We're oh, but not that. Okay, I need another color picker job. Let's figure this out. It's not giving me what I want. Where are you? Knock me down and I'll get back up. I'm Soldier 76. Rah! Where are you, color picker? Do your magic. 78, 76, 79. It's a very distinct color. 78, 76, 79. Overwatch 2 Ultimate Gray. Equals color red. Gosh dang it. I keep on flopping and I'm gonna create this. Okay. I need to invest some time into scene transitions. Note to self. I listed out all the things I needed to build, but I was able to see which pages I can access the user's color for, if that makes sense. Oh, cool. Need to figure out how to create a loading screen because the view is loading before the data. Ahaha. You want a customized loading screen? Or you just want a progress view? 78, 76, 79. I just got kicked out. Yeah, I just got kicked out. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. We're back.
I aim to devastate.
She aims to devastate, you guys. Overwatch 2 Ultimate Gray. There we go. Let's go back to where we were. I haven't figured it out yet. I just wanted to try to create the Windows 95 loading bar. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if it's easier to just use a simple one. I mean, you could use a placeholder for now. And then when you're ready for polish. Or are you in the polish phase?
Une mort magnifique.
You guys can see a seam here. Do you see that? Like in between these two, I feel like I need to like overlap them just a little bit. So maybe I inset by, instead of 13, I inset by 12. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, much better. I kind of polish it as I build it. Oh yeah, that's cool. I don't have dev habits, so if I don't like how an icon looks, I spend the next day fixing the icon in Photoshop. That's a perfectly valid way to do it. Absolutely. Okay, let me go to like a neon space. Okay, so yeah, you can definitely see like if, so it is affected by its background quite a bit. But I feel like it's... Yeah, like for example, with this orange, it's very telling. Maybe we'll do. Maybe we'll do. Let's go 0.8. I'll try to show you a video of it in the Discord sometime. Oh yeah, I'd love to see it. Yeah, that'd be great. Please, please, please. I'm very interested in your guys' projects. Okay, so this is starting to look pretty good. Hey, let's work on the inner stuff. Now, the inner stuff is interesting because it's got a, they look like the line ends are rounded instead of our traditional like square or butt endings. That sounds weird. And the coolest thing about this effect, you guys, is that we can do it in one shape. Thanks to the power of modern medicine. I mean, of stroke-styled circles. So let's just do that again. So this is, okay, what is this guy? This is the, like I feel like I could overlay this with this and then I wouldn't have to worry about the frame. The only issue with that is that you have to do a line with ratio. It's kind of a mess, isn't it? Oh well, let's we're gonna cut this out and I'm going to, this is going to be the inner animated circle. This thing is always animated. So here we go. Here's another stroke styled circle. The number of segments is going to be 2. Here's the dash pattern. The dash pattern is going to be, hold on just a second. The trim is always going to be full. So we don't need a trim modifier. Rotation effect is going to be, I guess it should always be animating. So although when the ultimate is ready, it kind of disappears, doesn't it? No one can hide from the Huntress. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make another state property, and it's just going to be is animating, and it's gonna start out as false. We'll throw our bindings first, just so they can feel important. And then our Z stack is going to be like, oh, hey, didn't see you there. Is animating toggle. And I'm going to say, all the way down here, the number of segments is going to be 2. And what does this look like? This looks like, no, I just realized they're exactly mirrored. Which means I can't do it in 2 segments. It's gonna have to be a single one. That's a bummer. So we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do 90. $85, 90, 95. No, this is tripping me up. Well, let's just see what this looks like. If I were to do something like 80, 5, 5, 5. It looks like that. And if I do 2, why do you take so long, preview provider? Okay, looks like that, which is not great. But it works because it normalizes everything. I have an idea. What if we did and we line cap? I think it's a line cap, yeah? Line cap, we'll go round. Why can't I type periods? Round? Round. Okay. Have to be a little less. That made it worse, didn't it? Let's go 100. Let's make the longest part of the stroke bigger, which should separate these. Are you kidding me right now? No, that did not do what I wanted it to do. What if we did a line width of 3? There we go. And I need to throw you Goat Scream! Here's what we're gonna do. Let's start making it animated because that's fun. Rotation is animating. Question mark. It's going to be rotation dot degrees is animating. Question mark 360, otherwise 0. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Then we're gonna have to have an animation modifier in this guy. Let's do 40% for now, just because
no one can hide from the hunters.
I just need to be able to see it. I'm beginning to suspect he doesn't get any notifications when I use the Giphy overlay. Oh shoot, are you using Giphy? I do not get notifications. What are you making? Now I have to. Now I gotta pay attention to the other screen. Oh shoot, I'm so sorry. I haven't been looking. My bad. I don't get notified like on this main monitor. I don't have sound effects knowing that Giphy's working either. Okay, now I'm gonna be like searching the upper left corner. What do you guys been posting? I feel like my periphery is all messed up. I was wondering what was happening. You posted like 20 lightning gifs. I missed them all. I'm hyper fixated on this. I think, yeah, there. That's my excuse. Sorry about that. I can see her. Ah, there we go. Oh yeah, perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, absolutely. Wonderful. Excellent choice. Gotta throw this over all the way here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here so that I can see it. That's funny. Welcome back, Coco Type. Okay, so let's do an animating modifier. And where are you at? The inner animated circle is here. Rotation. Animation. Very nice. Very lovely. We're going to do animation. We're going to go linear with a duration of, gosh, let's time it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about, let's give it a 30-second duration. Yeah. Repeat forever. Auto reverse false. Value is animating. Here we go. Nice. Let's get rid of this green background. It's kind of cramping our style. I mean, we could make it even just like smaller. Well, that's gonna wash us out. Yeah, the whiteboards are awesome. Absolutely. Oh, come on. Preview provider, what are you doing? Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's go 35%, baby. Do 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 do. I cannot preview. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so it's there. It's a skate just a bit. Let's go 38 for. Let's go halfway in between. Nice. I hadn't seen that one before. That's funny. Oh, that's great. Wait, these are two different oranges. I just realized this. You guys, these are two different colors. What the heck? Oh no. Now I gotta deal with that knowledge. They're also kind of yeah, they're slightly different colors. Is it two different oranges or the same orange with different opacities? Oh shoot, I don't know, Cocoa Type. That's a good question. How would I even like how would I be able to? Okay, so if you look here, dang it.
No one can hide from the hunters. You thought me weak up close?
Oh, but now I just gave away all of my hold on.
Delicious prey. Double kill.
Gotta get back. Okay, there we go. So the answer to that is it's likely two different opacities plus something else. I don't know. I don't know how to like isolate that. Do you? Soldier 76 has a much different voice now. he studied abroad in Paris. That's what happened.
To be crowded.
He's expanding his horizons. He's got everything in his sight now. He tries to blend in with the locals.
Superbe.
Superb. So I guess the easiest way to see it would be here. If I had like an all white background, like something like this. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is kind of hard to look at. I understand. this is going to be a little tough. Let me see if I can do some super sleuthing here. Okay. So this is pretty much mostly white. And then you go inside here. And this is like, okay. 255, 190, 154. Oh, why? Oh, you can't even see this. That's okay. I'm just taking notes. 255, 190, 154, and that's the outer ring. Okay. And then the inner ring is going to be oh my gosh, you can hardly even see it. So there's that. And then we go in here. Is this even the right way to do it? Is this even the right way to approach it? This is 254, 221, 215 inner ring. When all white. All white background. Mostly white background. Yeah. Now let's take a look at is there a place in this map that's like all black? I don't think there is. I mean, there could be something close. But I think most of the color. Where are you gonna find like an all black? Not even here. Like I need like complete darkness. This is almost it. This is almost it. So let's just take a gander at what this is gonna give us. Okay. Oh, we're about to ult anyway. Dagnabbit. Hold on.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
Okay. Back you go. This is more like 188, 89, 38 for the outer ring. Outer ring is 188, 89, 38. Inner ring is how else would we? No, sorry, I lied. That was the inner ring. This is the outer ring. 246, 120, 36. 246, 120, 36. Is there a way to like calculate the opacity based on these two different colors in all white and in all black? I don't know. What's the significance? You have to solve it like a 2-variable series of equations. Oh, no. Yeah. So the opacity is how do I get RGB from RGBA? RGBA to RGB conversion. RGBA to RGB converter. That takes the alpha channel into account. Here we go. So if the RGB the RGB, I see. I mean, if the background is, wait a second. if the background is that, no, I need to convert RGB to RGBA. Can I do that? I think I have it backwards. You need to learn two things, the true color and the opacity. But how do I learn that? How do I do it? Yeah, it's going to be a system of equations. Yeah, I suppose. There's got to be a formula. Let's see. There's got to be a formula somewhere. There's an algorithm for this, incorporating the alpha value into the actual color result based on an opaque background color, or matte as it's referred to. Normalize the RGBA values so that they're all between 0 and 1. Just divide each value by 255 to do this. We call the result source. Normalize also the matte color, black, white, whatever. We call the result BG color. Note that the background color is also transparent. Then you have to recurse the process for that first to get the source RGB for this operation. This is probably way more than I need to deal with. Solve for R and O. Yeah, 1 minus source A times background color R plus source A plus source R. I knew finance would come in handy. Yeah, this is like your mortgage payment, the monthly rate. Yeah, looks kind of like that. I'm paying how much over the course of the loan? I think this answer assumes that the background color is RGB, not RGBA. Alpha blending. This is fascinating. I do want to deal with this. I feel like I'm putting the cart before the horse. Let's not deal with colors right now. Let's just make sure that the I've got these all for white background and for black background though. So we'll get there eventually. Thank you, Cocotype, for that for the formula. Your secret formula. Okay. Where did my my headphones go? Oh, they're right there. You just can't see them very well.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
No one can hide from the Huntress, everybody. I'll calculate while I keep working. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can probably get rid of this border. No, let's give it also an opacity. I don't like seeing it so prominent. There we go. That's better. But we lost our good. Ah, there it is. Okay. I feel like these need to be a little bit bigger. So our dash pattern is 100 and then it goes 5 and then it goes 5. I feel like this needs to be like 2. You lie, preview provider. You lie. Get it together. Oh, okay, there it is. Ooh, I like that. I like that distance. How do you guys like that? That looks pretty close, doesn't it? Hey, that's a single shape. Stroke style for the win. Go, go, go with a smile. With a line cap of round. So you get that nice rounded effect. Now, let's see. What are we missing? I feel like, feel like the thickness of these lines probably needs to be a little bit smaller. I feel like this guy, stroke bordered 10%. Yeah, I kind of feel like this should always just be like I'm flip-flopping between magic numbers and calculated dimensions for my stroke length or my stroke width. Also, preview, you're failing me today, man. Okay, let's just try building. If you build it, they will come. Is there a reason that you need RGBA? There's not really a reason. I just I was noticing that in different backgrounds, the colors were behaving differently. And so like I'm like, I mean, like if we want to be like authentic, I mean, I'm just grabbing it from the screen. I don't know what their actual what the actual values are. Then we would go through this process of trying to like isolate the alpha channel based on whether the background is all black or all white. But it's probably fine. I just sometimes I get distracted by little things like that probably don't matter too much. Again, I get into the polish stage. Sometimes I focus on that at the wrong time. Meanwhile, this preview provider is like, I don't want to play. I don't feel like doing what you're asking me to do. Updating took more than 5 seconds. Why? Is it because line width hasn't been told? Do I have to spell it out? That shouldn't be an issue, yeah? Inset, stroke border. I mean, I guess I could just do this. Would that be easier on you? Maybe maybe SwiftUI, the way that they've implemented their custom shapes or their built-in shapes, maybe they can create those faster somehow, even with all the special view modifiers. Although if I do stroke border 2, this turns it into a view, which means this rotation is no longer valid because this is a shape modifier. Gosh dang it. Why you gotta do me dirty, SwiftUI? Please look at my medical bracelet.
No one can hide from the hunters.
Nobody. Did you hear that? Nobody can hide from the hunters. Preview is pause. Shoobity doo. Hey folks, for those of you who are just joining us today, we are trying to recreate the Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter. And Xcode's being a whiny punk right now. Cannot preview this file. The connection was interrupted. Like what even is that? You mean the connection was interrupted? What does that even mean? What connection? What connection? What connection? What? All right, we're building, and then we're gonna show the preview provider afterwards. If it's gonna be nice to us. But who knows? Okay, build succeeded. Finally, here we go. All right, preview. Show me what you're made of. What? Connection interrupted? What connection are we talking about here? Connection interrupted. Xcode preview connection interrupted. Turning off automatically refresh canvas worked for me. Oh. Editor canvas refresh. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if that works. Hey, okay. That's cool. I'll take that. What's the best way to show this? Like left to right, side by side? If I were to do this. Or just or top down. I'm not quite sure where to put this. That's almost the same. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's good. That gives me a better idea of what I'm working with. Sort of. Yeah. No, that looks a little bit better. So this needs to be a lot smaller. Not a whole lot smaller, but enough that it's given us. Okay, so the headphone view. I feel like the headphone view is in a good spot. I feel like this guy. This is going to be the this is the meter portion. I feel like it needs to be cut back a little bit. Let's go 18%. Wow, we got some awesome saxophone stuff going on here. Uh-oh. Did that not work? Come on, editor. We have lyrics, but are you you copyright free? I don't trust you. Ooh, this looks kind of fun. Outer ring is 255, 124, 37 at 96.5% opacity. Coco type coming in with the save. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you. Oh, that rocked. Okay, let's put that in. But first, no one hides from my sight.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
I mean, from the hunters. Sorry, I've got the hunter's skin on. That's what's happening. Also, I just realized you've got a little bit of a taper on the headphone. Like it's it shouldn't be like this. It should be a little bit more like sloped upwards. Maybe we should try something like I don't know how we would fix that. But it seems a little sharp, doesn't it? Yeah, clutch is right. Okay, so I feel like it could probably be a little bit still less. Let's go 16%, which means, oh gosh, you guys. Can I do an inset here? I feel like I should be able to. I'm gonna take out the frame modifier, and I'm just gonna see if this actually. Let's see if that actually fixes it. Oh. Okay. The line width ratio needs to be 0.1. I think. Oh, no. Oh, I've got that wrong, don't I? I don't like having to fiddle with it like that. I feel like that's... Note to self. I already do have a line width initializer, but I feel like it's very close. Well, part of the reason this is because stroke board, it needs to be even smaller than that. It needs to be like 8%, I think. I think that's the main problem that I've got going on. So let's just go crazy with this. Let's see if throwing it down to 8% with a circle. And you know, I probably should do is just like do an overlay on this with the stroke styled circle. I think that probably would help, because then like the inset could be on top of it. Right? Then I wouldn't have to worry about an inset property, because it would already like be contained in that frame. I kind of feel like that's what I want to do. The inner ring is basically the same color at 74.1% opacity. Coco type. Awesome. Very cool. I love it. How are we looking side by side? You know, this needs to be actually a little bit bigger. How do I? It's very difficult for me to tell if I've got this. Oh, can I put an opacity filter on this? How do I put an opacity on on this. Is it color correction? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Why do you care so much? Okay, it needs to be a little bit. Let's give it more opacity. There we go. Okay, this helps. I'm gonna scrunch it down just a little bit. Okay. Gosh dang it. Those might be slightly off because it wasn't pure white black backgrounds, but it should get you close. Yeah, no, that's very helpful. Thank you.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
Okay, so now we see that evil will always triumph because good is dumb. I think I nailed the headphones pretty well. I mean, there's a little bit of but we can clearly see that clearly this line with the headphones needs to be bigger. It needs to be at least 3 times bigger than this. He's absolutely right. Yeah, I like that. I like level 5. Table 5. Table 5. These are so close. And then just down a little bit. I don't know. Okay, my inner ring. This inner animated circle needs to be dude, I should just inset instead of frame. Like, what the heck, man? Stop doing frame modifiers. Like, I feel like I get into that trap with like putting everything with a frame. Inset by dimension times. What did I say it was? It was like 38%. So like inset by. Let's just try 0.2 for now. Okay, now we can do better. We can go 25%. Oh, this is so slow. Oh, we're getting better. We're getting better. First of all, this needs to be thicker. It needs to be 5. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, preview. Meanwhile, the stroke style circle, it needs to be inset by a little bit more. I'm going to say by 0.17. And also you are going to be 0.17.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
And don't you forget it. Oh, it's very close. But now, yeah, inner needs to be a little bit bigger, a little bit more inset. I had like, what? Was it at 27 before? 28 before? And these guys I'm also going to do, I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to go 18 and 18. That is pretty close. That is very close. Okay, so now we know that we can make our text larger. Let's make our text larger. I don't like that this is sized as a dimension of this though. I kind of feel like this needs to be like hard-coded values. Because it's not a reusable component like many of our things are. You know what I mean? Like it's not. That's close, but it's getting towards the edge. It's very close though. It might as well be that. Guys, we're pretty much there. Wouldn't you say? I think we're pretty much there. The only thing that I'd like to take care of is this is the headphones. I want to see if I can make the lines a little less sharp here. So let's see if we can fix that. Maybe we make it rounded. I don't know. I kind of feel like we might have to just buckle down and do like some sort of a clipping, but I kind of don't want to. I kind of just want to let it go. Line, cap. Let's do round and just see what that looks like. I think it should be okay. Connection interrupted. Because why not? There we go. Hey, I actually like that a little bit better. So here's the overlay on top. It's very close. You know what I mean? That's not bad. Ship it. Okay. Now let's pay attention to what happens again with our ultimate. You go find a. Okay. Headphones. Headphones are going to rotate. Gosh, guys, this is... And it's almost like it's brighter now. How are we going to do that lightning effect? This might have to be a 2-part stream. Probably because I'm itching to play the game. And when you go to that, yeah, you're gonna have like a... Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. Watch this. Watch this. This is going to be... If ultimate ready, that with no inset. This will need an instead of 0.02. Let's toggle. I need a way to toggle this animation to go to do the rotation thing. Yeah? Okay. So here's what we're going to do.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
Yes. Thank you, Widow. I need to put a test bed on here. You guys ready for this? Basically a toggle to ultimate ready versus not ready. I mean, we could even just... How do we do it before? We could just copy what we did before with the... Ultimate meter demo. A vertical stack with a slider, spacer, ultimate meter. And that's all it was. Which is the progress. Yeah, we can do that easy. Let me just grab this. No, I can just do it from scratch. Ultimate meter is that, and then I'm just going to grab the ultimate meter demo, and that's what we're going to do. Overwatch 2 ultimate meter demo. No one can hide from my sight. Var body, some you maybe. You stack. State private var progress. Float. State private var ultimate ready. Bool. We're gonna give them some default values at 25 and ultimate ready is false. Vertical stack's gonna have a slider with The value is going to be progress. It's default to be between 0 and 1. Then we're going to have our ultimate meter. Well, we'll do spacer first. We'll do the OW2 ultimate meter, where ultimate ready is going to be dash. Ultimate ready, not dash. Why did I say dash? $sign. Progress. Boom. So slider, and then we're going to have a button. And ultimate ready is going to toggle. Ultimate. Wait, does this need to be a text? I think it needs to be a text. Text. Ultimate ready. Toggle. Now the ultimate meter demo is going to be oh. I'm gonna need a background color, aren't I? Let's just see what this looks like. What you diddly doing there, preview provider? Where are you? Oh no. What? Oh no. What? Can I do a background of color.black? What just happened? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 2,500. Oh, I see. What? Okay, so here's our progress. Oh, did I set it to something outside of bounds? I set it to something outside of the bounds. I said 25.00. Yep. 0.25 is what I meant to do. Silly. Here we go. You'll notice that when it's 100%, here's the thing though. We never see the number 100 when the ultimate is ready, do we? So once this goes to 100, we should actually show something different. We can actually deal with that by inside the view, we can say if progress equals 100, then instead of showing text, show you know, the cool stuff. Let's see what happens when we say ultimate ready toggle. Okay. Okay. That needs to animate. That needs to animate. Why is it not animating? Is all I have to do, if ultimate ready, do I have to define animatable data for this guy? Headphone rotation. So what happens is this middle guy does this, but also you need to not have headphone rotation. This rotation isn't even necessary. Neither is this. Let's take off some of those view modifiers. Let's make the compiler happy. Hey, something else also happens. We get these like little arrows, almost like an overlay, like a clipping type mechanism. But also this dotted line goes away if ultimate not ready. Else. Wait a second. Remember what happens if we do if else's in views? They get hidden, which they get recreated, which means there is no way you can animate. Yeah, we don't want if ultimate ready. We don't want if ultimate ready. This is the trap. So opacity is ultimate ready. Question mark 1, otherwise 0. Now the stroke styled circle is going to be inset by ultimate ready, question mark, what, dimension times 0.1, otherwise 0. And that way we can actually animate it. And how do we do that? With animation? I guess animation, maybe animation here. Is inset animatable? I think it might be. Animation, let's go dot linear duration. Let's go half a second. Value ultimate ready. Let's see what that does. I'm actually not sure, like, I'd have to look at it again to see like what happens, like where does this come from? We could animate it. Let's animate it for fun. Now we got a lot going on in this view. Obviously, performance might take a hit, but I think that's just the name of the game here. I know that in the SwiftUI docs, they say, hey, if you want some like immediate mode drawing capabilities, you should instead use like the canvas. Not bad. Although I don't see inset animating. Do you? Inset's not animating. Frame can animate. Scale can animate. Why doesn't inset animate? Also, this is a little bit, it shouldn't be here. It should be dimension times, I'm going to say point. Oh, wait. Connection interrupted. Oh, that's better. That's a lot better. That's looking kind of like what it looks like here. Although the foreground color for our inner needs to be a different color. It needs to be like a gray color. Also, we need, gosh, let's just do this right now. I know we did this before. What was it, the Overwatch player waiting icon? No. Sorry, it was the Overwatch ultimate ready view. You guys remember this? Oh, but it had like the border. All I need is just this. It's a circle with a stroke. Yeah, but that's different now. It's different than Overwatch 1. Now it's going to be, in the case of Widow, it's like it's an all white circle. You've got like this blue animated fun stuff happening. And then you got the lightning, of course. But at the very least, what we could do is just do something fun like this. We could we'll do a full circle. Overwatch ultimate meter. Headphones meter. Let's get rid of the frame modifier. Inner animated circle is gone here and set by rotation, animation, foreground color. Opacity is going to be ultimate ready. Question 0, otherwise 1. Same thing with the with this guy. Opacity, ultimate ready. Question mark 0, otherwise 1. Then we get a fun stuff here. This is just going to be right next to it. The image. So it's going to be with a background of a circle. Foreground color white. Foreground color black. And the frame, the frame. Well, let's just see what 30% does. Foreground color. There. Close brand. Okay. Let's see what that looks like when the ultimate is ready. How many do we have? Here we go. Oh, the text is still there. This needs to be a different frame size. Let's say, I want to say 50%. Your opacity is going to be the same. Well, ultimate ready or progress equals 1. Uh-huh. What is this music? Hunting robots.
No one can hide from the huntress.
There are some other cool animations happening too that we are just not going to be able to capture tonight, I don't
A
think.
fine execution.
Triple kill.
So many funerals.
Man, she's heartless. Okay, let's see if that actually worked. Lot going on in this view. Lot going on. Jeez. Not including the demo, which is like 16 lines of code. This goes from 29 to 142. So it goes 120 lines. This is still showing up. What gives? What gives? Okay. Just flip it. It's not too late to flip it. Flip it good. Do 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 do. Boom. Do 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 do. Correct that whip.
Parfait.
Double kill.
There's Tracer.
Ma prochaine.
Double kill.
Woe is you.
Regressed. I don't know. That does not compute. Kokotai. There we go. Oh, but wait a second. This guy is still. What's happening to you? Why are your segments? I said the ultimate was ready. Oh. I should have said ultimate ready or progress is equal to 1. There we go. This is the thing. It's like once the progress is ready, then it's almost as if like that binding should, once the user presses something, that binding should, well, pressing Q is a separate action. You're not like the user doesn't interact here. So toggling the ultimate ready should move it back to 0. Technically. Technically. How many points for you to wear a Devo Energy Dome all stream? Someone's ready to clip it. 700,000. No, I mean, that's a good Halloween costume idea. I feel like ultimate ready should be disabled until I hit 100. There we go. Hidden. Hides this view unconditionally. When can I hide it when... Oh, I guess opacity. Progress equals 1. 0, otherwise 1. Seems kind of a weird way to do it. I guess that's fine. Ultimate ready dot toggle and progress equals 0. Yeah. Okay, so we're just adding some functionality, some tied functionality to our test bench here. That's why Love and Thunder wasn't as cool as Ragnarok. Mark Mothersbaugh didn't return. Ooh. That is a good take, Kokotai. Who did the music for Love and Thunder? Who was that? Was that Michael Giacchino? Because he's been doing a lot lately. Progress is 1. Oh, I flipped this. This should be 1-0. There we go. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I'm just watching this ultimate meter, like ultimate ready animation, and it is fire, you guys. It is so cool. We have got to do this. We need to step up our game with these animations. I need some hardcore training on freaking shaders and just these really cool effects. I need to look into that. We need to take our animations to the next level. Like, I absolutely believe that we got to do that. Oh, nice. Okay, so that went. But then what happens? Boom. Boom. Okay. So ultimate ready toggle. Progress is equal to 0. And then ultimate ready needs to actually I almost feel like we don't need a second. I feel like we don't need an ultimate ready binding anymore. I feel like all we need is a progress. Yeah? Because outside of it, we can say, okay, now your progress is 0. The only thing is that, like, triggering an event for ultimate, there has to be a transition between progress to ultimate ready to ultimate animation back to progress. But I feel like that could be handled internally by the view. The actual like ultimate ready state probably, sorry, the ultimate ready binding probably isn't necessary. Now that I'm thinking about that. Wait, Giacchino's a director now? I just wanted one real conversation with Quill and Thor. Yeah, Ploppy, I feel you. That was a little too comedic for my taste. I love the comedy that has...
Level 10 étoiles.
I just feel like they rely on it a little too much. It's like you get this like heartfelt moment or you get this tension and it's all of a sudden like laugh track. Like it's a delicate balance for sure. I think Ragnarok was great because it kind of like threw us all for a loop, but now that's like become the default. I liked Ragnarok more than I liked Love and Thunder actually. Yeah, I think Ultimate Ready needs to go away. I mean, we can just even have this be a computed variable. There. Build failed. What do you mean? There, now we just have a progress. Hey, we just simplified our interface. Go us. Let's put this computed property not at the top though. Now we can get rid of this. Because progress is equal to 1 is exactly the same as ultimate ready. Look at that. Look what we're doing. Hey. Hey, look at that. Super duper. My Swift guy is showing up. Okay, now that I've turned it into a computed variable, maybe now we can get rid of ultimate ready. And we can just say, instead of toggle, just say progress goes to 0. Yeah? Okay, I think we've cleaned it up. Should be good. Taika went to Taika. Yeah, I agree. Felt a little too much Guns N' Roses. There were a lot of Guns N' Roses in there. Yeah. He directed the new Marvel Werewolf by Night special. Who? Mothersbaugh? Was it Mothersbaugh that directed it? Sweet. There it is, guys. Look, check it out. Boom. Ultimate ready. Okay. We're getting something functional now. Yeah. The only thing I don't like is that I'm not getting that animation of this guy. You know what I mean? Like this dotted line is not going where I want it to go. Giacchino directed WBN. Oh, I didn't know that. Interesting. Huh. Was it decent? The funny thing about maybe what I should do is give this some padding. So that we could see something extend outside of it. Okay. I think this is a good milestone point for this project. We have our animation working. Once it gets to 100, we turn it into the ultimate is ready state. Once we ultimate, then we're back to 0.
No one can hide from the Huntress.
Thank you, Ploppy. It was fine. I felt rushed. You could have had an extra half hour of content. I felt like half the characters didn't even get names. Ah, that's a bummer. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty excited about what we've got so far with this. I think this is a good start. I think we can definitely, where it shines, of course, is when the ultimate is ready and when the ultimate happens. So let's continue with this. Like this will definitely be a part 2 for this project. Guys, I want to play some games. So we're gonna play some Overwatch 2 if the servers will let me. Let's see how we do. Anyway, this is pretty fun. Let's push what we have so far into the repo, eh? Why is this modified? What's happening here? Oh, I think I made some changes to the scale, like the direction of the scale. And I said this is animating rather than, okay. I'm not discard. Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter. Here we go. Nice. Okay, let's commit. Yikes. Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter.
How thrilling.
Boom, boom. And then we've added you. What did we change here? Oh, we imported shapes, or no, we took out the imported shapes. Yeah, I'm not sure what we did here. I'm not gonna commit that. But I am going to commit what we got too. Added Overwatch 2 Ultimate Meter project. Isn't this fun? Check it out if you'd like to take a look at what the source code looks like right now. And I think this should be fine. Oh wait, I also no. Don't forget, we did add color extensions right here. Overwatch 2 Ultimate Gray. Can't forget that. Anything over here? No. One, two, three, 4, 5. And push. All right, folks. It's time to switch gears. If you're still gonna hang out with me, watch me play some Overwatch 2. You're in for a real treat, because I don't even know how this is gonna go. So next time we do an Overwatch 2 themed stream for SwiftUI, I feel like I need some prep work for this first. I think I'm gonna need to do some more tool building, if you know what I mean. We're gonna have to figure out. We're gonna have to bring in once and for all the animation, maybe the particle effect view modifiers. I don't know. We'll have to see. May have to look into Canvas. Stay tuned. Do you push after every coding session? If I remember to. Yeah, I do. If I remember to do it. Sometimes I forget for like several streams at a time. It's kind of funny. And if it's in a broken state, please let me know. If you guys try to build and run, and you're seeing it go crazy, yeah, let me know, please. I should probably just stash changes and just try a clean build. I need to start doing that. Then I push after I complete the whole page itself. It depends on the project, really. You know, if you feel like you like incremental pushes and you know, if you're going to a feature branch, I would say commit often, commit early, commit often. You can always do a squash and merge if you're worried about like hundreds of commits going into like a single feature request. Got to get some CI running. Yeah, that's true. You're right, Coco Type. Look at this beauty, you guys. I'm pretty proud of what we've done so far today. This is nice. This is nice. Nice fun little homage. We'll get better as we go. Get squash is the devil. The devil. You don't have a Git history. No, I feel you, man. It can be frustrating. Git can lie to you, definitely. All right, let's take off these filters. All right, everybody. I've switched to Overwatch 2. Let's kill the music. And let's play some in-game music.
Tools in hand, brain in gear.
Yeah. Feeling that. Okay. Let me know if the sound is too much for everybody. All right, here we go. I'm bringing you guys over here on this monitor. Literally every time travel movie ever has warned us about the dangers of rewriting history. Doing it in Git isn't any better. That is a sound argument. I absolutely understand. It's hard because some of my teams have been like, hey, we should use squash and merge in all our pull requests. I'm like, slippery slope. Let's take a look at today's challenges. Oh, I haven't played this in a very long time. My progression in this battle pass is very, very, very slow. But to be fair, like the rewards, the XP, it's abysmal, guys. It really is. They really are stringing us along, trying to get us to lose our patience and fork out the cash for these ridiculously overpriced legendary skins. I feel bad about it. It makes I'm very frustrated about it. It's definitely lost the charm from Overwatch 1. I hope they can bring back in a lot of what has been lost, because it's too bad. Well, let's see how we do.
Think you can keep up?
Nope, I do not. Boogie boogie. Oh, I almost forgot. This place is toxic.
Science means going where outcomes are uncertain.
Even in quick play matches, man, I'm like, what the freak, you guys? This is not competitive. I'm sure it won't be like that in random heroes, but I just defaulted to like squelching chat.
4, 3,
It's not worth it, man.
1. Attack commencing. Capture A.
Oh, he's gonna get me. Just kidding. Dang, did I have 3 kills with Winston? What timeline is this? Holy crap.
Let's come together, team.
I've got another kill. That's Winston. I'm about to die. Ah. I need... Are these bots? No, these are... That sounded really conceited. I am not a great Overwatch player at all. I'm just very surprised that I'm still alive as Winston. Okay, there we go. All right. Yeah, I was just waiting.
Why seek answers when
Watch me like die literally in every other conflict here.
actuating the barrier.
Yeah, case in point. I'm doing terrible with Sigma. Ooh! Good job. Good job. Nice. Go team.
Destroying the barrier.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
How's it sound, guys? Is it too loud?
Barrier initialized.
Ah! Thought I heard footsteps.
The universe does not weep when the sun sets. So there is method in this madness.
That was lucky. Hey, leave me alone. Or I think what's most likely has happened is that like I lost so many quick play games in a row that I've finally gone down to my true competitive rank, even though it's not competitive. Hey. Wait. Did that ult not work? Or it could just be that nobody plays Mystery Heroes. 'Cause I feel like I'm lasting unnaturally long in these fights. Maybe I just got a good healer. Don't chase him, don't chase him. Aww. Sounds fine. Thanks, Floppy.
I aim to devastate.
Hey, look who we've been influenced by all this time.
Sniper, leave this to me. A little surprise.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, shoot. Get away. Oh, I didn't last very long as Widow. That's funny. French Soldier 76. That's right. I got one kill.
Time to save the world? Game on!
Hey, we should probably be moving the payload, huh? Oh, oh, oh. Get her, 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 get her. There we go. Nice. I'm dead. Ragdoll. Oof.
Come on, Snowball. They need our help.
Oh, the devil. The devil herself. Here we go. Okay, we should group up. We should group up. I don't know why the payload is stopped, but we should move. You're right. Oh, get the mercy. Get the mercy!
Did you see that, Snowball?
Behold my creation.
Thank you. Just never know, you could hold her down for a stronger bullet. Who's following me, Zarya? Dang, she really does. She does really well with that left flick now. Holy crap! Guys, we need to move the payload. Is what we need to do. No, you don't, Symmetra. Dang it. Dang it. She's gonna get me. She's gonna get me. Oh, 8-player kill streak. That was pretty good. You're playing as Get Squashed? Yes, I
In my
am.
world, there are no secrets.
Ash here.
Payload ain't worth much just sitting here. Let's move.
No vaya a ser que lo necesite. 60 seconds remaining.
Oh, I don't have. I'm not by a. Shoot, I am not by a health pack of any kind. Where are the health packs? Holy smoke. Oh, here we go.
You're mine now.
I don't know this map very well.
30 seconds remaining.
Hey, how about I go with my team? That'd be a good idea. Lucio, why are you taking all the fun away?
Tengo que irme. Just in case. 10 seconds remaining.
Oh,
Hoping to win. Now's the time. And I'm open.
Geronimo! Oh, I abandoned it. I was gonna die. Oh, we. Dang it. Oh well. After all that.
Play of the game.
All right. Next one's ours.
Traveling to Nepal.
Everyone ready?
Hey, Ash here.
Look at the state of the world. Something has to change.
How's it going?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
We made that screen. We did. We sure did. But hey, moral support cannot be understated.
Oh, you want to hear this?
Yes. Oh, he's still alive. Yeah, he's dead. Good to go.
Objective is now.
Maybe we should fight on the point. But I'm no doctor. Or I could die immediately on entering said point.
You're scattered, mate.
You're scattered, mate. Hello. Man, Orisa is so different than she was in the last game. Hey. You stop that right now. Kind of went in there on my own, I guess. I guess I deserve that. Yeah.
My throne is where I say it is.
I don't know how to play this character at all. What do I do? Thank you for the heals. But holy crap, how do I play this character? How do you play as? What do you do? Okay, there's a scatter gun, pump action shotgun. Charge forward is your ultimate. You throw some sort of a blade. Oh. Feeding her ult. Okay.
Right on the money.
Wub wub wub.
Every soldier needs
Hey, here we go. Finally. No, don't. We're getting slaughtered now. We can't even get out of the point. Yeah, they've got us. You hate to see it.
Score 0.
This screen right here seems like it'd be fairly simple to put together. Blue and red, animating squares.
We find strength.
More field research? Grand.
Golden.
Saddle up.
That was not computers. I'm simply following my program. Shine your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Capture the objective. If we fail again, all is lost.
Okay, let's see how the new Orisa goes. Who's killing us? Who is that? Oh, she got out just in time. Well, we fought the good fight, but alas, it was not enough.
Tools in hand, brain in gear. They outnumber us. Careful.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Ruh-roh, we've been founded. We've been spotted, Eloise. Don't go in there. Oh, I see you. Oh, he broke my turret. Oh, I ran out of juice. I could have totally killed him.
I'm overloading.
Leave me alone, enemies.
Yes, much appreciated.
We're not doing well this round. Yeah, I'm getting oh, she just got sniped in front of me. That was too bad.
We're here to be heard.
All right, now we're talking.
Hey, it's Kiriko.
Hey, Kiriko.
My ultimate is almost ready.
I'd love to learn how to play the new support. Oh no. I'm sorry, Farah. Nothing could be done. I wouldn't extend yourself, Roadhog, but you know.
Baptiste here.
That's just me. More agile.
Favorite part.
Well. Oof. Both supports.
Every soldier needs a cause.
That's right, we do. You ready for our team? We've got, yeah, we got to rush. We got to rush.
I cannot hear you yet.
Nope. Yeah. Oh, what? I was touching the point. Boo. Oh, yeah. Mash chat is muted.
Play of the game.
I did that. Okay, we're 0-2. We need a win. We need a Mr. Heroes win. The odds suggest that we should like be able to win like 50% of our matches though, yeah? Especially for like a Mystery Heroes. But hey, look at that cool animation. I noticed that there's a little variation of that one. Like on this one, look at the bottom right corner. See how it's a little bit different. Like it immediately that top center where the outer ring like surrounds it, and then like the orange part comes over, and then like immediately leaves. That's kind of the way that ours works right now. But the actual loading screen one, like it sticks around for a while until like another revolution.
Think you can keep up?
Oh, it's this character again. Okay, what's her kit like? Throw the blade, reactivate to pull it back, along with any impaled enemy. Oh. Wound enemies hit by quick melee throw, dealing damage over time. Oh, so I can right click and then right click again.
Attackers incoming.
And that does something. Let's try it. It's like a 5-second delay. Oh, that's kind of neat. Oh, I died anyway. Yeah, I wasn't even close to getting her. Look at.
Time to save the world? Game on! Initiate defense neutralizing projectile.
That's a cool sound effect. I haven't heard that before. The Orb of Harmony. I'm dead.
I am always ready to learn. The payload has reached the checkpoint. Scaling up.
Zarya, ready for duty.
Ready for duty. Pew 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 pew. Oh, I almost got him. I could have, yeah, I could have finished him.
Humanity is shackled. I will find the
I
key.
probably should have been a little bit more aggressive there. Anyways,
Brigitte at your service.
Pain is inevitable.
let's see if we can take revenge, eh? Where you at? Target the healer. Target the healer. Or I die. Yeah, you know, either way, it's fine. It's fine, really. I just got
I'll
all.
find my own path.
Hey, where'd Kitty go? How does she play again? Can I teleport to you? Nope, you're dead. You're also dead. You're almost dead. Hey, double Kiriko. Hey, look at that. Hello.
Mercy on
Hey there. What's up?
Greetings.
What's up? Konnichiwa.
There we go. I was waiting for the Japanese. What? I was trying to heal you, Reaper. I'm so sorry. That's too bad. That's too bad. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it clicks, sometimes it does not. Oh, we can get him. We can, or we can't. Oh, guys, there's 3 in a row, 4 in a row. We have not won a single match yet.
Play of the game.
Oh, golly. Bum 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 bum. Bum. While you wait.
Arriving at Chateaubriand.
Every soldier needs a cause. Biotics deployed.
Oh man. All right.
I rub some dirt on it. Let's go. Only this better when aged.
Taken the lead.
Okay. Here we go. It's okay. That's how I play Rainbow Six.
Now traveling to Paris.
Oh
Watch your
man.
flanks. They might try something.
To find success, we
I
must
do
search
not know
inward.
this map at all. What is this place? We're playing
Are
defense.
you, on average, more mechanical or more human?
More human than
Trying to figure out whether to
human.
scrap you for parts.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Consider the railgun before you decide.
I need you, Gracie.
That's a cool move.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I'll do my best.
Everybody holds. Nobody runs.
Nobody runs. Okay, I was hoping that he would die. No. My aim is atrocious. I like. At least I helped in some way. I don't know what I did, but maybe it's a wide spread. I don't know. Go and grab her. Come back. Nope. Sure what that is, but. I'd like to see what her ultimate does. Get away from her, Arisa. Get away. Ah.
Don't worry, I'll be right behind you. Be uplifted.
Objective lost.
This will just take a moment.
Stop the payload.
Where you going, Tracer? I got you, boo. What you doing?
I'm here to help. I could use some assistance.
Shoot. That's amore. I waited a week for a cassette to arrive just to test it right now and found out it's broken. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no! Is it? Did you buy it like used off eBay or something? Who's that? Get her. Get her. She's purple. She's purple. Do it. Do it. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. Go. Go, 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 go. The struggles of eBay. That's too bad. Sounds like something you're really looking forward to also. Would have been cool if I could actually slept her. Ah. I just got tossed against a wall. Ooh, I love that teleport. That's pretty cool. Right. Alright, Genji, should I babysit? I am Mori.
Let me balance you out.
Let me heal you. Let me heal you.
I'm here. Let the kitsune.
Oh, dang it. That didn't do anything. Come on, these playing cards have got to kill her. Come on now. Come on now. Oh my. I could not. I need practice with Kiriko. Holy smoke. Jumping around like I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, die, die, die. What'd you say?
Up and away.
Look at us playing chicken. Oh, you got one of me on your team. I see. Let's see what's going on here. Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Picking fur out of the sky with a projectile that takes so long to get there, it's really hard to do. Oh, okay. No way. No way. She had one hit left. May versus May. I think she had a helper though. No. No. Alright, at least May's dead. Hey, guys, we can win this. Let's hold on. Let's hold on. Let's hold on. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Ah, I'm dead. I'm not a good ball. 10 seconds. Guys, can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Please let us win our first one. Please let us win. Please let us win. Oh no. Our team is dead. Our team is dead. No, 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 no. Oh, come on. We had that one. Ah. Unlucky, man. This is what it was like in quick play, like a few days ago. Seriously, like it was like 9 losses in a row. I was like, oh golly. That could be like so crushing. If the stakes were higher, yeah, I would probably feel really bad. But this is just for fun. Oh geez. I think I had a few good plays in there, but sometimes when you get a hero that you are really terrible at, it's only a matter of time.
Arriving at Chateau Dia.
We're here to be heard. It's live.
Oh, you saw me coming. Oh well.
Now arriving at Lijiang.
I want to see some real Nutter gamer rage.
All night for this mission. Well, maybe I gained a little too.
Yeah, it's not good for my heart rate. That's for sure.
I will see this task completed.
You can't imagine me mad.
Five, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, it's happened before.
round 1. Capture the objective.
Teleporter taking.
I was so lame afterwards, though. After I lose my coal, I'm like, all right, that was probably not necessary. But yes, it's tough. If you feel like you've done your best, then well, I can get upset, especially if like people are being rude, you know. When you get like the unsportsmanlike conduct and people can succeed at like you know, getting under my skin, that makes it difficult to like keep a clear head, you know. But that's why chat is off in this game and why I don't play comp,
Together it strikes him down.
because I don't need that stress. Oh, I didn't get anyone. Surely Tracer should be dead by now. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I got booped. Good job, Lucio. Not good enough. We got each other though. It was poetic justice. I smacked him into oblivion and he killed me with his sound, with his block rocking beats. Oh man, that dated me. Holy smoke. What's up, guys? My baby. My turret. My baby. Oh, why did I shield just now? Is someone behind us? Oh, we almost got him. Almost got him. Don't you even think about it, Reinhardt. You can frequently catch me off guard with Reinhardt, but not today. No, don't blow up my turret. I save all my rage for the real villains in life, my coworkers. True, true. Rally to me. Good job. Oh, come on. Let's molten core everybody. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, guys, we won a round. Double kill even after the round had ended. Hey, could this be a preview of things to come? Are we actually going to win our first match of the evening? Let's find out today. An all-new episode of Random Heroes, starring me, Orisa, Golden. Don't jinx it. Oh shoot. There I go. Orisa's javelin's actually pretty powerful. Oh, are they coming over this side? Oh, they faked us out. Get that Genji! Get that Genji! Get that Genji! Yes! Yes, Genji! Oh no. Oh, hey! What? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, let's keep going, you guys. Let's keep going. Get out of here. Get out of here. What? Holy smoke. Holy smoke. That's a double Mercy right there. Where are you going, Mercy? Mercy, what are you doing? Let's see what this ult does. I don't know what that ult does, but I don't think it did anything really. We are keeping them at bay though. Let's keep them busy, huh? Ooh, we almost killed someone over there. Oh, I just javelined the wall, so that was kind of fun. Oh my gosh, Orisa's a freaking beast.
Were you taking me seriously?
Holy crap, she's amazing. What the freak? Nope, 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 nope. Yes! Our first victory of the evening. Hey, that only took, what, an hour? Jeez. Hey, let's end on a high note.
Play of the game.
Hey, GG, go team. Way to go. It's bedtime, y'all. Yeah, that's a cool looking ultimate meter. First win of the day. Oof. Thank you. All right, everybody. It's time for bed. Thank you so much for chilling with me this evening. I know you've got all important things to do and you've spent time with me tonight, and I appreciate that. Had a good chat and had a fun project, and we'll continue with it in a little bit. Not sure what's going to happen on Thursday, but we'll be back here, same time, same place. And have a good night, everybody. Good luck with all of your endeavors, and I hope you guys have a great evening. Take care. Bye-bye.